solve for the particular solution. X square dy plus xy plus y square dx is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1. Answer: dy by dx is equal to minus xy plus y square upon x square is equal to f of x. Basically, dy by dx we took on one side and y solved terms on another side. Putting f mu x upon mu y, mu x comma mu y. So just put it in terms of x and y. So we'll get mu raised to 0 f of x comma y. I mean this function, and so this is a homogeneous equation. Now to solve this, substitute y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting this value in equation 1, we'll get v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus v square. So x dv by dx is equal to minus v plus 2. Just take this v intersect. So dv from v plus 2 is equal to minus dx upon x. So 1 by 2, 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 2 dv is equal to minus dx by x. Integrating both the sides, we get 1 upon 2 log v minus log v plus 2 is equal to minus log c plus log c, log x plus log c. So v upon v plus 2 is equal to c upon x square. Replace the value of v is equal to y upon x. So x square by y, x square into y upon y plus 2x is equal to c square. Putting y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 upon root 3. Putting back the values, x square plus y, x square y upon y plus 2x is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the required solution.